This is one of our favorite Thai salads. It's fresh, light, and so easy to make. Let's start with the dressing. I'm chopping some garlic. You can use more if you love garlic like I do. Cilantro stalks are flavorful, so don't throw them out. Lime juice for the fresh tanginess, sugar to balance it out, chili flakes for that kick, and of course the umami fish sauce. Here's a shortcut. I never soak my glass noodles. Just boil them and they turn out just as springy. But I do cut them so that they are easy to toast and eat. Using the same mortar, just poach the shrimp until they are just pink and gold. Then into the bowl they go. Here's a quick tip. Shrimp shaped like a C are cooked perfectly, but if they curl into a no, they are overcooked. Now for the veggies and herbs. I have red onion and tomatoes, shredded carrot for crunch, and cucumber for freshness. This dressing is the soul of the salad. Fresh herbs like mint and cilantro add a beautiful fragrance. Toss everything with the dressing until it's all well mixed. You want the noodles to soak up all that flavor. It smells so good already. Time to plate. I like to crush some roasted peanuts for the top. They add a nice crunch and hint of sweetness. And that's it. A simple, delicious Thai salad, perfect for hot days or anytime you want something light but satisfying.